Hey, what's up, everybody?
What's up?
It's your favorite late night explorers. We're at it again. We're at it again.
We are going to try to find this haunted train tunnel in Conway that we've heard about from a couple of people. Last time we came to try to find it, we didn't find it, but I think we were looking in the wrong place. So we've parked here on the side of the street, and we are going to try to go into the woods across the street and walk right to it.
We'll see how that goes. You know how our stuff goes.
We'll let
So
you know.
we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll check in a few. Let you know where we're at.
Later.
Peace.
What's up, guys? So,
What's up?
after walking through the woods for about an hour and a half and literally sliding down the side of a mountain, I'm pretty sure I ripped the whole back of my pants open.
Yeah. It looks pretty bad.
We actually are here. We found it. How scary this is. You can't really, you have a flashlight you can shine on it so I can really see it.
No, I got another one. Not much help.
Yeah, look.
This is the outside.
Big train tunnel.
This
It's
is
known,
the inside here.
it's known to be haunted, and it's still in use, and that's why there's lights in here.
And also why you're not supposed to go in.
Yeah, and that's why we're not supposed to go in there.
Our life in the face of danger.
Yeah, if a train came right now, like right here, we'd be because there's nowhere to go. Ugh. Guys, we're in this tunnel. It's pretty terrifying though. I'm standing at one end and Lena's actually going to the other end. It's actually really far though. I don't know if you can see her way down there. But it still is a functioning tunnel, and trains do come through here, so I didn't want to go all the way to the end because I was afraid a train would come through, but I guess Lena's braver than I am. Yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can communicate with anything down here at this end alone. If there are any spirits in this train tunnel that want to communicate with me, can you make a sound or give me some kind of sign that you're here? This is crazy, guys. I've kind of resorted to more of these exploration videos with COVID being a thing. It's hard to find full investigations right now, but we do have some awesome stuff coming up. If there are any spirits here that want to communicate with me, please give me a sign. Lana's running back up here. I think I can see her running. This is how I die.
The end is just like this. So it just opens up on the other side.
I didn't know.
They just blew through a mountain. That's it.
I didn't think that you would even get down there. I thought it was gonna like turn through the mountain and like.
I thought it was going to turn too, but then I was like, oh no, I could hear cars.
All right, guys. So we're kind of just sitting here on the tracks in this tunnel. We have the K2 meter out, and we're gonna try to see if we can get any hits on that. I don't really know the story behind this tunnel, but it's rumored to be haunted by like everyone locally here. So we're looking for that green light to change colors to something other than green.
Is there anybody in this tunnel?
Did you see that? It just spiked all the way up to 5 almost. Right when you started asking questions.
Alright. If you're in this tunnel, just come stand really close to this device.
Can you take your light off of it so that I can see the light?
Come step next to this device that has the green light, and it will change colors. Can you change it to the color red?
Can you change the color on this K2 meter? All you have to do is walk up to it and touch it, and it'll change colors, and we can communicate with you. We just saw you do it.
Is there anybody in this tunnel that wants to talk to us tonight? Come to this green light and make it turn red. If you want us to leave, can you turn it to red? Yeah, you can turn it up to orange, but can you turn it to red? Just come stand close to it. That's all you have to do.
So they're saying they want us to leave?
That's the only time it reacted, but it didn't go to red.
If you want us to leave, can you show us again? Can you touch the device in front of us and make the light change colors again?
It's very creepy with like...
So creepy. I can't really describe how creepy it is in this tunnel. Seems like something out of a dream.
Yeah, you feel like you're just like in a mine.
Yeah.
Alright, if there's anybody in here that wants to talk to us, I need you to touch this device and make it turn red.
Were you someone that worked on building this tunnel and there was an accident? Oh my God. So you were someone that worked on the tunnel. Dude, it never goes that high.
Did you die while you were building this tunnel?
Make it light up if yes. Did you die while trying to build this tunnel? Is there some kind of accident? Yes.
Are you stuck here in this tunnel now?
Yes.
Do you want to talk to us? If so, make it red.
I'm trying.
Make it all the way red. Just put your hand on it. Do you have a message that you need to give? Okay, tell you what. I've got a little device somewhere that will record your voice. And all you have to do is just talk into it, and I can play it back.
Just went to red.
Okay. And I can play it back and hear what you said. So I'm going to turn this on. Is there anyone here in this tunnel that wants to talk to us? If you're in this tunnel, what is your name? Is there anyone here in this tunnel that wants to talk to us? If you're in this tunnel, what is your name?
We are getting hits on the K2 meter, which is detecting electromagnetic interference in the air. But we aren't getting any responses on the voice recorder. I'm so glad that we found this place.
Yeah, it was driving us crazy.
Yeah, we've been trying to find it.
For like a week now.
Yeah, we just walked through the woods for like an hour, hour and a half.
It's pretty cool. So this concludes our late night cold adventure to find the Conway Tunnel. As you can see, it's really, really cool. It was nice to actually find it, and I would say it was worth it. But as far as ghosts go, I don't know. It's up for you to decide. We'll catch you guys next time.